Wow!
So long, man. Oh, God, you did a beautiful job.
Tried it last time. And then the primer never works quite properly, but it's supposed to.
You can pick up the 50. He gave you the 50 back. Huh?
It's difficult because the position of the phone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't get underneath it?
So yeah.
That's what we call turbo mode.
That was last year's, right? 2 years ago, that's right. Because last year was basketball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that one from 2 years ago.
Oh, it's still going.
I remember that one.
Yeah, I know. Remember taking part?
Good move. Drifting.
Oh, yeah.
She have a little suction thing.
We've had it fall.
Hold up.
So, did you do some tests to make sure it doesn't flip over when you...
Oh, it has. We've tested it before. The whole frame's shifted by like a half an inch.
Well, that's why you
where
put
it
the
fell.
motor near the bottom.
Yeah, oh, that's true.
Center of gravity.
Sure.
Don't put the motor on the
This
top.
was what we were recording.
That would be bad. As soon as it starts up, you'd be like,
This was supposed to be how
Like a
we get it,
wheelie.
and then he could use the arm, but it's kind of unstable.
Wow.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Yeah, you can do a wheelie. It's quite nice.
Yeah.
are those the same ones as before?
Mike, do you want to go?
Yeah. Yeah, the same wheels as before, the ones that go diagonal. Yeah.
I've ran well, not on purpose.
But it's part of the play. The game of fuzz saws.
We can't have like flamethrowers.
We are allowed to.
Yeah.
Technically, we could.
Oh, we shoot a frisbee or something.
That's why we have this netting. Because we would have destroyed it.
Yeah.
Both.
Pounder off of the feeding station, and you hung them up on the wall in order of the first.
We have it angled to where
Yeah.
put the ball right here.
And you had 6 weeks to come up with that arm? The higher design?
The higher the pin, the higher the score. Higher level.
There was actually two aspects of these competitions, just like there was the final pyramid. There was a little mini robot that was put back here. There were these big poles that came up on the there was 4 of them in the middle. And in the last 30 seconds, you were supposed to deploy the mini bot, and you climb up the top of the 10-foot pole. That was how I worked
It starts out like this, or similar.
Good job.
We then we're not able to do anything with this, like from the robot, except to print messages here and to access this. And so we can load it up with a separate computer but typically we don't do that.
I think you know it's 12 volts.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering what the
It's
fuck
actually
EMF was.
controlled by the
Image,
microcontroller,
getting the images towards like
not
the
EF or
serial
the
setting.
one. It's a
Where
lot
those
more
recognize
small
things.
robot.
It's
You ran out of CBOs.
I had
It's actually kind of
if you actually want to use it, it's fun.
not as much as that one. That one's like almost 100.
Based on the joysticks.
Well, we've got the design for that. I can go get it. It's a lot. It depends on what you're doing.
Can it be the driver?
Yeah. That would be for this class.
How come the other robots are trying to stop it?
Stripe on the ground to find all the stripes.
All